So you've probably been waiting for a month or two to set up this Sleep Number delivery. What is to be expected? Here was our experience. Yeah, they showed up early in the morning. We were all excited. They get the frame and they put it together. They get rid of all the packaging. They bring up the new mattress, and if you have a king, it's worth it already. They do all the setup. To expedite the installation process, I would recommend preparing you doing 3 things. 1, make sure everything is clear. I know this seems like a no-duh, but actually getting to your bedroom, push everything aside. My wife and I actually dismantled our entire bed and had the old mattress poised and ready. That was easy for them. 2, make sure there is an outlet nearby so they can easily plug in your mattress. And then 3, they need your Wi-Fi password. So I was able to type it in myself, so I was able to keep it relatively secure, but they will need that in order to update the firmware or software of your bed. You get it? Firm or soft? Where? Bed? Because the bed can either be firm or soft. Then probably my favorite part, they get rid of your yucky old mattress. No need to lug it in a dump truck or smash it into your car and take it to the local dump. And that was pretty much it. It probably took maybe 25-30 minutes at max from start to finish. I will put my promo code in the description below so that we can both get a kickback. Hope this helps.